Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name in Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Now click on the profile icon in the top left corner. Click on Edit Profile option. And here you can see the display name option with your current display name. Now you can change it. Click on the Save option. And that is how you can change your display name in Grindr. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.